Hi guys! What are we gonna do today? I thought we would do some fun little holiday tags or cards, but if you didn't want to use them as a tag or a card, you could put them on a journal, or even put them on a fun letter as a header or on an envelope. But these are some images, the Santas and the snowmen and these cute deer, and they're on our website, but let's just get started. So this is the Santa in this door that we're gonna do today, and this is the download that we have. So I just printed him out, and I am gonna cut him out first of all. So what I'm gonna do next is I have my door image, and I'm gonna cut that out. This is just from some paper I had doors on. Find a great door image on Pinterest or on a photo library somewhere, but I thought this one right here was really fun with the panes, and it was still big enough to put its face in. And for this one, I'm just gonna use an X-Acto and cut out the panels of the door. Let's see how good I did. Do the big one last, because if you pull that out, it makes the whole thing very unstable. So I have my window cut out. So I'm gonna see, my Santa will get kind of cut off at the sides a little bit, but you can see how he fits in there very, very nicely. And I want a lighter background, so I just cut another sheet I can put behind it. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the back of this door, top edge. One way or another, you could do the background first. Line them up to get them in here. Trim the excess. Now we can add any other embellishments you'd like. So on this one, I used one of these 3D embellishments, and I carry these, but you could find even just a fun image, print it on vellum, stamp it, or add nothing, or maybe even just type something on here, or put a little mail slot or something fun. But for this one, I thought I would take one of these and cut it out and see how that looks on here. And then I'm gonna wax it and I'm done. So I'm just using some clear wax. Now you can add them to whatever you'd like. Okay, so here's a book to give you an idea. It's just a paper mache book, and I waxed the paper, and you could put him on here, maybe even add some book embellishments, put a title, Night Before Christmas, anything you could think of. You know, there are so many ideas of things you could do. Just find some fun images, alter them up a little, and make wonderful tags and presents or whatever you would like to do. Thanks for watching.